Controversial businessman and ZANU-PF benefactor Chivhayo has raised eyebrows once again after revealing that he spent $500,000 in a single day to buy 11 brand new vehicles, including luxury SUVs for church leaders and party-linked media officer. Sabina mashoko anoonekwanzi Chivhayo pana pachitengera aiwa vemachechi, vakuru vemachechi pamwechete nesome political leaders motokari dzinosvika 11. Don't subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipinda munamo kudanyi pamuchinzi. The self-styled philanthropist whose close links to President Mnangagwa and alleged involvement in shady state scandals have made him a household name, announced the donations via a lengthy Facebook post on Tuesday. Having woken up in a good mood yesterday, I decided to spend $500,000 on cars for my fellow church members, Chivhayo wrote. He said the recipients were all senior leaders in the Johann Masowo Apostolic Sect, praising their spiritual leadership and commitment to service. Among those rewarded were Masbaba Gibson Yati from Joeshe and the late Masbaba Matthias Mandasa from Lomboshawa, whose 2025 Toyota Fortuner will go to his son. Another Fortuner was given to Masbaba Boniface Mutese of Lomboshawa. Chivhayo directed the leaders to collect their fully paid 2025 Toyota Fortuners 2.8 GD6 SUVs, all white in color, from Exquite car dealership. Chivhayo also said 7 Toyota Hilux single cab vehicles were ready for collection at Faramatse Motors. The beneficiaries include, unknown the names, the beneficiaries. While some have praised the gesture, critics have blasted the move as a glaring display of elite excess in a country where millions struggle with poverty, inflation, and collapsing public service. Chivhayo, who has been linked to multi-million-dollar government tenders, including controversial energy deals, has never been held to account despite public outcry. His repeated high-value donations continue to fuel speculation over impunity and unchecked corruption at the highest levels. Doma Shukaripo, tuze mafunguro ejimot kulipa msoro pe awa this flashy awa distribution ikito na Chivhayo. Pena comment section medu tuze mafunguro ejimot kulipa msoro pe chituko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.